Well, what do we have here? Zama. Zama brings its blockchain privacy token to Revolut's 70 million users. Can you say bullish? Super bullish. That's 70 million, guys, new eyes on this project. This project that is making headway to becoming a major juggernaut in this space. Now, also what this doesn't mention is 15 million of Revolut's consumers, they already know how to trade crypto. 15 million. We get off in plays like this. We're bringing this to you guys. And for those of you that want to be able to find plays like this super early before anybody else, be on the lookout for our new Patreon called The Process, with me and my chief researcher discussing new plays that I haven't even talked about on this channel. Some I might never talk about, but we're going to be bringing that weekly over on Patreon, and that should be dropping next week. We've already wrapped the first episode, and I believe you guys are going to like it. It's a lot of awareness and a lot of things and tools we're giving you so that you can be a monster out here in this crypto space.